Okay, so let's take a look at an example of doing Bash shell assignments in Moodle using Virtual Programming Lab. We're going to auto-grade this assignment. So we're just going to do a simple hello world with the Bash shell. We're adding a Virtual Programming Lab assignment this way. We're going to name it, and we're going to give it a short description. And then typically with a student assignment, you want to give more in the full description, including maybe references to relevant websites, etc. Maybe a Stack Overflow example. The grade's going to be out of 100. I hit Save and Display. Go to the gear. Specify execution options. So we're going to say that we want Bash shell processing. Okay, so it should be down here somewhere. Shell. It should be there, right? Shell, right there. And then from there, I'm going to say I want to be able to have the student run and evaluate their program, and that we want automatic grading. We save the options like that, and we're good to go. So we go back to the gear, and we're going to specify execution file. So basically here, this is the standard by which the student will be tested. So this is a test case. You can have inputs and outputs for your test cases. In this case, we just want an output. And we're going to be looking for the string hello world. That's what we're doing right here. All right, so we hit the diskette save icon, and we move on, go back to the root of the assignment by clicking up there. And now we're going to go to requested files. So this is going to be where we put the template for the student. So we want to end it with a .sh to specify shell, so that VPL knows that this is a bash shell template file. And we get it started like this. So depending on your student, you may want to fill this in a lot or not so much. That's really your call based on how it fits with the pedagogy of your particular class. We save it. We go back to the root of the assignment, go back into the gear, and now we're going to move on to setting up the local execution server. So if you don't do anything in here, then the Bash programs will be evaluated at the Spanish servers for the developers for VPL. Here I'm specifying the local server and end the list of jail servers with end of jails. Okay, so that's the VPL server that we have on campus. It's the one that Moodle will talk to. So I save that, and now the students' programs will be evaluated on the local server. So I switch over to demo student or fake student mode. So now I'm looking at the grade book from the student perspective, and there should be an assignment with no grade right there for Bash. Yeah, that's it right there. I click on the Bash name for the assignment, hit the edit tab, hit the save, then run, and we've got a running Bash shell script. I'm going to evaluate it for grades. And it looks like we got 100 out of 100. Yes. One test run, one test passed. We got 100 out of 100. And students would typically go and check their grade book just to make sure that the grade was registered. And it was 100 out of 100. Excellent.